In this training, we'll look at C21 Forward and its functions. C21 Forward is the primary component in the MVI Check21 suite and enables users to scan and import checks, to detect any errors or fraud in them, to balance them, and to store them in the Laserfish repository for later use. C21 Forward has two modes for scanning checks that members bring into your institution: teller mode and back office or branch mode. In teller mode, the C21 Forward software runs on each teller station and offers real-time scanning and review of checks at the time of deposit. Teller mode scanning gives tellers the ability to catch fraudulent or problematic checks before the member has walked out the door. It also saves time because there is no end-of-day totaling or scanning to perform. Let's see it in action. A member deposits one or multiple checks at the teller line. The teller runs a transaction in the core system and gets a pop-up receipt from MVI's receipt capture system. The teller places the checks in the scanner and clicks the Check21 button for C21 Forward to scan and balance the checks. The teller then looks for any problems with the check images or metadata. C21 Forward has built-in quality and fraud tests to validate the check's images, maker information, and amounts. It can also use Advanced Fraud Solutions' online fraud detection services, Deposit Check and True Checks, to provide enhanced fraud protection by validating checks against their nationwide fraud databases. If there are serious concerns regarding the check, the transaction may be reversed and the check given back to the member while they are still at the teller station. If there are no problems with the checks and the deposit is in balance, the teller saves them and the receipt into Laserfish. Back office or branch mode works in a similar manner, except the C21 software runs only on a single back office station. Tellers will use that station to total their checks manually and scan them as a batch at the end of the day. While this approach requires less hardware, it also takes longer for tellers to scan and balance. It does not link the deposited checks to the receipt, and it also does not provide the convenience of being able to catch fraudulent items while the member is still in the branch. C21 Forward also allows importing of checks from other offsite sources, such as MVI Mobile Capture for items deposited through mobile devices, MVI Member Deposit for items scanned by a member with their home scanner and uploaded through MVI eView, and MVI Merchant Capture for items scanned and deposited by a member merchant location. Scanned or imported checks are stored individually in the Laserfish repository. They are searchable by date, amount, account number, check number, and other values. At end of day, with a few simple clicks of the mouse, an employee will use C21 Forward to gather the archived checks from throughout the day and create a daily image cache letter, or ICL file, for submission to the Federal Reserve or Clearinghouse. The ICL files adhere to X9.37 UCD compliance, or more recently known as X9.100-187. C21 Forward is also capable of automatically building the ICL at a scheduled time and uploading it via Tumbleweed or FTP server, without anyone needing to be on site. Checks stored in Laserfish with MVI's Check21 suite can also be made available online for members to retrieve through MVI's eView web portal. C21 Forward plays a vital role in the MVI Check21 suite. It enhances your efficiency, security, and cost savings when managing your daily check transactions.